going to do a quick review of my Wynn room. Look at these beautiful hallways. I'm on the 7th floor, not super high, but that's okay. You scan your key card here. If you have company coming over, there's a doorbell. I am in room 722. All right, so when you enter the room, you immediately see a beautiful view. I'm gonna try to not to do this to make you guys so dizzy. Okay. Here you've got a couple of little options for lights. You can turn your privacy sign on. You can turn it on for service. You can, if you push all the lights on, it turns on everything. And the sheer's open, which is pretty cool. You can turn on low, which dims the light. And if you push the all off button, all the lights go off. And everything closes like magic. Wow. All right, let's try something else before I show you the bathroom. We also have, let's see if this works. Alexa, open the drapes.
Okay.
Cool. I know, I'm a geek. Sorry. It's fun. All right. Anyway, let's go back to when we came in. When you first come in, to your right is the bathroom. Have on off, just the night light or all the lights. You've got a nice big shower. Got your shampoo, body wash, all that fun stuff. Big tub. There's a double sink, which is always nice. There is, look, a TV in the bathroom. Yes, sorry, I've been on a plane for 5 hours, so I'm a little loopy. I need to get that first lemon drop in me. Got all your soaps and other necessities. Hair dryer, and of course the ever-present telephone near the toilet. Toilet has a closing door, which is always nice if you're with someone else and they would like some privacy. You do have some robes. Enjoy this robe during your stay. However, don't take it, because I'm sure if I were to scan that, it would be hugely expensive. All right, come out of the bathroom. Okay, I just had to show you this. I just realized the Wynn rooms have a scale in the bathroom. I mean, that's just cruel. Who wants to go to Vegas, eat and drink, and then get on the scale? Yeah, I'm not touching that thing. All right. I just thought it was hilarious. All right. Come out of the bathroom. There's a huge, lovely mirror here. Let's make sure that you look the way you want in the morning. We've got your closet over here, basic closet. Ironing board, hangers, a couple places to put your luggage, and of course the safe, which is always nice to have in Vegas. You come in, there's a little sitting area over here. You've got a desk, nice desk chair, because I'll probably be doing some work tomorrow morning. Got a phone, and even a pen and paper in the drawer. And look, the pen is sealed for your safety. I got another mirror. And there's a little table where you can sit and eat, which I probably will get takeout tonight maybe and come upstairs and eat that. I think that would be a great idea. There's a TV out here. Oh, ice cups, so that sort of thing. Didn't see any bottles of water, which they usually give you. There is your little safety kit, some masks, disinfectant, alcohol wipes, which are great. There is a mini bar, although it says the mini bar comes to you, in-room dining. And then in here, it says sealed for your protection, but it actually opens up. So I'm not going to do that, though, because I don't want to get charged for anything. Oops, sorry. Got your few standard drawers. Of course, they're empty. Temperature setting, which is standard, which I will probably kick down. And then the view. I'm not as high up as I would have liked. She asked me if I wanted a high floor. I asked for a high floor, but I got here before noon. And what was available was either the 7th floor, or I could pay like $30 a night for a super high floor, or wait a few hours, and I just decided to go with what I got. But I will show you the view, and it's really not bad. Alexa, open the shears.
Okay.
Thank you. How fun is that? All right, I got a lovely view of the pool. It looks like they have a few pools. And this is my first stay here, so I don't know where anything is, what anything is. I do see some people in the one pool over there, so it must be open. But I don't know. And then there's the golf course past there. You see some of the buildings. There's the West Gate over there. Lovely view of the roof, but that's all right. Looks like a little outside courtyard down there, which I'm going to definitely have to go out there and walk around and check it out for y'all. And over there's Resorts World, which is still going up, up, up. And I imagine over there you can see a little bit of the strip, but that's all right. And of course, the bed, king-size bed. I've not stayed here. I don't know how comfortable they are, but it looks mighty comfortable. And then this, oh, it's an alarm clock, I guess. Not sure what that thing is right there, but we'll figure it out. All right, and then if you don't want to use Alexa, you've got your buttons to open the drapes, open the shears, close, and then another button to turn all the lights on and off. So yeah, I'll be heading downstairs in a bit, and I'll walk around, and the resort itself is beautiful. It's very, very empty right now. When I walked through the casino, there was not much going on, but it's a Wednesday at noon in December during COVID, so that tells you a lot. All right, I'm gonna go and have some fun. Thanks, guys, for watching this, and if you have not subscribed, please do that, because I hope to bring you lots more fun stuff like this. All right, you guys take care. Bye.